Everyone, I, Cadet Nikita Diman from 3 UK CTR Battalion from KLP Roorkee, standing in front of you to discuss something very important for our country, that is self-reliant movement or Atmanirbhar Bharat. As we all know, at the time when the world is suffering from a deadly pandemic, that is COVID-19, India has tried to convert this crisis to an opportunity to strengthen its fight to become Atmanirbhar Bharat or self-reliant. This term was firstly coined by our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi on addressing the nation on 12th May 2020. He describes its 5 pillars of this campaign, that is infrastructure, economy, demand, system and demography. He named this campaign as Atmanirbhar Bharat or self-reliant movement. He stressed upon the fact that it is time for the local for the vocal products and make it global. At this time, many economic packages are released which will beneficial for various segment of our country, that is cottage industries, micro, small and medium enterprises, laborers and farmers and many small industries. This was about 20 lakh crores of the packages and it was about 10% of the GDP, India's GDP. So it is a great step taken by our government, and now it's our duty and it's our responsibility to be self-reliant and self-dependent and independent purely by adopting our products, our nation's product. And as we all know, today is a day of our freedom fighters, so honor them today and always. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.